projections of points. So before going into the projections of points, so we have to know the projection systems. Actually we have four types of projection systems. So first angle projection, second angle projection, third angle projection and fourth angle projection. So for example, this is the plane diagram. So this is a reference line, XY line. So this is the vertical plane VP. So this is the vertical plane VP. So this is the horizontal plane HP. So this is the horizontal plane. So this is the vertical plane. So this place above horizontal plane and so in front of vertical plane, this is nothing but first quadrant. So coming to the second quadrant, above the HP horizontal plane and behind the vertical plane. So this is nothing but second quadrant. So coming to the third one, below horizontal plane and behind vertical plane. So this is the third one. So coming to the fourth, below horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. So this is the fourth. So like this way we have four projection systems. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So first quadrant is nothing but above the HP in front of VP. Second is nothing but above the HP behind VP. So third is nothing but below HP behind VP. So fourth quadrant nothing but below HP in front of VP. Okay, so in these four types of projection systems, if object in the first quadrant, that is nothing but first angle projection. That means we are going to assume object in the first quadrant. By placing the object in first quadrant, if you draw the views of that object, that is nothing but first angle projection. By placing the object in the second quadrant, if you draw the views of object, that is nothing but second angle projection. By placing the object in third quadrant, that is called third angle projection. By placing the object in the fourth quadrant, that is nothing but fourth angle projection. So always we are going to tilt HP in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so we are going to tilt HP in clockwise direction. So whatever the image on VP is going to be standard, that is fixed one. Whatever the image on HP is going to be changed. Why? Because we are going to change HP only. So coming to the tips we have to remember. So whereas in first quadrant, that means whereas in the first angle projection, so this is a reference line, XY line. So whereas in the first angle projection, front view we will get above the reference line, top view we will get below the reference line. So this is the first angle projection. Coming to the second angle projection, both front view and top view we will get above the reference line only. So coming to the third angle projection, top view we will get above the reference line, front view we will get below the reference line. Coming to the fourth angle projection system, so both front view and top view we will get below the reference line. So one thing is that first angle projection is opposite to the third angle projection. Second angle projection is opposite to the fourth angle projection. So whereas in first angle projection, front view we will get above, top view we will get below. So whereas in the third angle projection, opposite. That means top view above, front view below. So coming to the second angle projection, front view and top view we will get above the reference line. So these two we will get in the below reference line in fourth quadrant. So whereas in one thing you have to remember, these two, that means second angle projection and fourth angle projection we are not using. Why? Because if you tilt HP like this, so whatever the image, whatever the dimensions on VP and HP going to be matched. That's why, so second angle projection and fourth angle projection we are not using. So most of the countries are going to prefer only first angle projection system only. That's why it is also called as a European projection system. So this is the information regarding types of projection systems. So whatever we are going to draw all the projections of points in four quadrants. So first angle, second angle, third angle, fourth angle. So